In this video for Graphs Grade 9, we're going to have a look at horizontal and vertical straight lines. Up to now, we had a look at how to sketch the straight line graphs of equations in the form y is equal to mx plus c. But what if I now asked you to sketch the graph of the equation y is equal to 3? This equation is not in the standard form because there's no term that has an x variable in it. But we do know that y will constantly be 3. This means we know that if I choose to make my x value 0, the y will be 3. And the same goes for an x of 1, 2, 3, and of course all the negative x values. The y value will always stay 3. So this equation forms a horizontal straight line where the y value stays constant at 3. So when the equation is in the form y is equal to a constant value, it will always form a horizontal line. For example, y is equal to -4 or y is equal to 1. Similarly, there are equations in the form x is equal to a constant. If, for example, we have a look at x is equal to 3, this equation does not have a term with a y in it. But we do know that all the x values will be 3. So we already know that the x-intercept will be at 3. And then once again here, it doesn't matter which y value we choose. The corresponding x value will be 3. And that is why it forms a vertical line at x is equal to 3. Let's also have a look at x is equal to -4. Here we know that it will intersect the x-axis at -4 and that every other x value will also be -4. Therefore, we have a vertical line intersecting the x-axis at -4. So now we know that a horizontal line has an equation in the form y is equal to k, and as soon as the straight line has a slope or gradient, it will be in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Then we also have vertical lines in the form x is equal to k, and then the line with the slope can also move down from left to right and still have the equation y is equal to mx plus c. In the next few videos, we're going to focus a bit more on the gradient or slope of a straight line, and we're going to have a look at how to determine the equation of a given graph.